Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good.
morning, ma'am.
Very good.
Good morning,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Beta.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Are we
morning,
through?
ma'am.
Very good morning, Beta. So good morning to all of you. Seventh standard. Just let me know. Are we through this slide or should we do it again? Be fast. Do you want me to do it again or we are through?
Ma'am, can you revise again?
I'm glad. That is what I'm waiting for, Beta. Now, what are we going to do, Beta? Esophagus. So, from where it starts, Beta? Here till here. Right, Beta? What is the other name of esophagus? Food pipe. Say with me. What is the other name of esophagus?
Food pipe.
Food
Food
pipe.
Food pipe.
Is it clear? So far, the things are
Yes.
clear, whatever we did so
Yes.
far? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what it is? I will do it because we have already done, one of you have already read it and I have explained it already. But you wanted me to revise, so I will take up the reading today. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, it is a tube-like structure. So, from where it starts? From mouth and the stomach. Isn't it? See, it starts from mouth and then it reaches stomach. You agree?
Yes.
This much.
Yes.
Okay, this
Yes.
much portion. Okay, fine. What is the length? 30 centimeter. Now, this esophagus, beta, someone's mic is on. Just thank you. Now, esophagus is a tube which allows the food to be swallowed, to be moved from the mouth to the stomach. Right, beta? So, obviously, the muscles have to be very powerful because it's doing a work. Is allowing the food to get inside the stomach. So it has to be very, very strong. What is the movement? It is a contraction. It is a rhythmic movement. Like how our heart beats better. How is the heart pumping? It's a rhythmic movement. And you can feel the heartbeat. But here you don't feel any beat because the movement is not so fast. It is very gradual movement. This movement is called as peristaltic movement. It is a movement of rhythmic movement of contraction and relaxation. And this is the way the food moves from mouth till anus. The food is moving through the alimentary canal by this peristaltic movement only and nothing else. Have you understood? So what it is doing, it is contracting and then it squeezes. What is contracting better? It squeezes and then it relaxes. I hope you know what is relaxed. Then it is expands in a rhythmic manner so that the food is moving forward. You understand? And it happens throughout the alimentary canal. This movement is called as peristalsis or peristaltic movement. Remember that in esophagus, it is only the movement and nothing else happens over there. That means there is no digestion in esophagus. Any problem?
No.
Girls, things are clear?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Still, if you have any problem, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Hmm? Nicely. Because
Yes.
we are going step by step better. So this will remain with you if you become a doctor, if you take science as your stream, all these things will come. But if you know things in detail, nothing will go wrong in your life. You got my point what I'm saying? There will be no doubts. There will be no confusion whatsoever. Understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll do one by one. Again the food
Yes,
pipe.
can
Yes,
I
one of
start?
you? Yes.
Okay,
Name
ma'am.
and
Madison.
start. Name and say. Modesa? Okay, start.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. The food pipe os
Better
also.
read properly. Read properly, please. Esophagus.
Okay, ma'am. The food pipe Esophagus. The food pipe
Fingers.
passes along the neck and chest. The, the swallowed food is pushed down by the movement of the walls of the food pipe into the stomach.
Stomach. What are you reading, beta? That is stomach, not stomata. And I had told you to practice at home. Are you practicing at home, beta? Modessa,
Yes, ma'am.
are you practicing at home?
No, ma'am. I forgot.
Start, start, start. If you
Okay, ma'am.
forget,
I
then you
will
will not
practice.
improve, beta. Should I
Yes, ma'am.
remind
I
you?
will practice from my textbook in
Yeah,
science
you have to
textbook.
do it. You have to do it with your textbook only, beta. But then it
Okay.
needs practice. If I say, beta, you have to practice, that means you start it right away. And then you can see the difference in yourself. You will analyze yourself better. I'm the secondary part, you are the primary. You are going to first one to understand how much is the improvement that you find while doing the practice. Okay? So, same thing. This esophagus, it comes from the neck, down the chest, the food is swallowed down, and the walls of the esophagus or the food pipe is helping with the peristaltic movement the food articles to reach stomach. You understand, all of you? Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the stomach. Yes, Modisa.
Yes, ma'am. The stomata. The
Beta,
stomata
it is stomach,
circle.
beta. What are you doing? Where is the
Sorry, ma'am.
stomata?
Sorry.
You are
Sorry, ma'am.
putting
Sorry.
leaves in the
The
stomach.
stomach. Sorry, ma'am. The
Have a
stomach.
Ma'am,
laugh.
can I
Don't worry.
read?
No, let her continue. Please let her continue. We want to help her. She has to improve, beta. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. The
Thank you.
stomach. Stomach secretes,
Secrets.
secretes digestive juices,
Chloric.
hydrochloric and acid and mucus.
Mucus.
Mucus. The digestive juices breaks down proteins. Hydrochloric acid makes the medium acidic and kills bacteria which enters along with the food. Mucus
Mucus.
protect, sorry, ma'am. Mucus protects the wall of the stomach from the acid.
Okay, better. Now, what is happening in the stomach? Let's see the stomach. This is the stomach. Can you see this, beta? All of you?
Yes.
This is the stomach, right, beta? Now, what is happening inside the stomach? The food has entered. Now, what is happening in the stomach? Let's see. Now, it is producing certain digestive juices. I repeat, it is producing certain digestive juices. And as well as the stomach is full of hydrochloric acid. Now, what is called hydrochloric acid, beta? Uh, At home, we use it for a toilet cleaner. HCl acid, pale yellow color acid, which we use to wash our washrooms at times. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
जिसको हम तेजाब भी कहते हैं. Tejab. It
Yes.
burns. Okay, it is very dangerous acid. So this is hydrochloric acid is inside the stomach already. Do you know that? And the mucus. Now mucus is like slimy substances. It's mucilaginous. Mucus is like slimy substances, like jelly. These digestive juices, which the stomach producing, it helps to break down proteins in the food article. And the hydrochloric acid, which is inside the stomach, makes the medium acidic. Why? Because if at all with the food the bacteria enters in a body, it kills the bacteria. The acetyl acid which is present in the stomach kills the bacteria which comes with the food. You understand? And the jelly-like substances, it protects the wall of the stomach because the acid will burn the stomach, isn't it, beta? So there's a mucous membrane inside the stomach so that there's no harm to it by the acid which is present in the stomach. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Are you understanding nicely? See, these are all extra information that I'm giving you. Okay? Now we come to small intestine. Please read, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The small intestine. The small intestine is a long
Coiled.
coil. It, it
Adjust your
receives.
mic. Adjust your mic.
Ma'am, it's not my mic.
Then whose is it?
I don't.
Just find out if someone's mic is unmuted. Tell them to mute it.
Yes,
Yes, continue with it.
yes, ma'am. It receives secretion from the from liver and
Pancreas. Pancreas.
panc- pancreas. It also secretes digestive juices. The liver is the
Just a,
largest gland.
just a moment. Just a moment, beta.
Yes,
Before I will go through that small intestine, let us finish the stomach again. This is the revision part. Okay? I had forgotten.
yes, ma'am.
Stomach. Start with the
Stomach.
stomach, beta.
Stomach. It is a muscular
J-shaped,
J-shaped,
thick-walled bag.
thick-walled bag. Stomach is the
Widest.
widest
Widest.
part of elementary canal. It receives food at one end from food pipe and open into the small intestine from other end.
You can see over here. This is the
Yes,
food
ma'am.
pipe and this is the stomach. Right, beta? All of you? Now we are going to take only the stomach. Okay? So food enters from here and food goes into the small intestine. So this is small intestine. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what sort of shape it is, beta? It is a J shaped. It's a bag, very thick walled. And in the alimentary canal, this is the thickest part, widest part in the alimentary canal. What it is doing, what is the function? It is receiving or getting the food from one end. That is, which end? Food pipe end. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is sending to the small intestine. Is this absolutely clear?
Ma'am, what is the mean by
Hmm?
widest?
Widest means broad. Broad, broad.
Yes, yes,
You got
ma'am.
the
Yes,
length and breadth, isn't it? You got the
yes,
length. For example, I will show you. Now, this is your rectangle. What is length? This one is length. And this is breadth. Why is it? That this breadth becomes wide. The breadth and wide is the same. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any problem, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what stomach is doing? We'll go back to small intestine later. Now, let's first finish stomach. Now, what stomach is doing? Please close your mic. Yes. Anyone else who wants to read?
Mom, can I read Tholia Fatima?
Dolia?
Ma'am,
Dolia
can I
who?
read Tholia Fatima?
Okay. Dolia Fatima. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Stomach search the food to
Jones.
look.
Jones. Jones. It churns.
Okay, ma'am. Churns the food to mix digestive juice. The food in the stomach is is churned into the semi soil.
Is there
The
the
churn,
semi-solid?
Ma'am, can
Hello?
we?
Is it the?
Ma'am, can
Don't
we
add
read it?
all these articles, please. What is given, read that much only so that you will improve. Don't add
Okay,
words which is
ma'am.
not required.
okay, ma'am.
Then,
Soil,
base soil or
soil,
solid?
solid food is called chame.
Chime.
Chime. Gas, gastric juice is secreted from the wall of stomach and mixed with food. Gastric juice contains some enzymes and hydrochloric acid.
Acid. You
Acid.
don't have to go into detail. I'm just all these things. You don't have to go into detail. Just it's a detailing. I wanted to show actually what is happening in the stomach. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
stomach is churning. You know, churning means it's mixing the food with digestive juices. Then it becomes semi-solid, isn't it? What it becomes? Semi-solid. And this semi-solid food is called as chyme. What else is there inside the stomach? Gastric juice, which is produced from the wall of stomach, and this gastric juice is mixes with food. This gastric juice has certain enzymes and hydrochloric acid, which is already present in the stomach. It's just the extra information. You don't have to read it or remember it. Now we come to small, then we will go back. Remember that. Now we come to small intestine. Yes. Anyone else?
Ma'am, can I read Rato Tarannum?
Okay, Tarannum,
Ma'am,
start.
can I
Give me
read
one name. Hello, just a
Okay,
moment. Give me
ma'am.
one name. Don't give me
I?
the surname and
Rathod
give
Tarannum.
Tarannum. That will be better. Yes,
Ma'am,
Tarannum.
can I number two?
Afterwards,
Okay, ma'am.
afterwards. When I say
Small
someone's
intestine.
name and that's it.
Yes, ma'am. For small intestine, the food leaves the stomach at certain intervals of time and enters into the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It is about 20 feet or 7 meters long in an adult human. Small intestine is a highly coiled tube. It consists of three parts: duodenum,
Jejunum and ileum.
jejunum, and
And ileum.
ileum.
Whatever,
Ileum.
see, I'm showing you. Whatever this is for the reading purpose, but you don't have to remember it. Again, I'm telling you. Whatever question answers I give you, only that you have to do and nothing else. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Just I'm giving you a clear picture. Whatever I say, do it. All these things are not there in your book. Remember that. But to make you understand how the things are happening inside our body, I have taken this slide. Is it clear? You have to only learn whatever I give you. But for your information, I am giving you these slides. So don't get confused, don't get related, don't get so hyper that ma'am is showing us these things, madam is giving us so many hard words and all this. No, no, nothing of that. I told you again and again, you don't have to read, you don't have to learn all these things. It's just for the information that I'm giving you. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta? Fine. Now what
Yes, ma'am.
happens here? Let's see. Now food is leaving. The food is leaving the stomach, right beta? And it goes inside. This is the small intestine, right beta? Here is the small intestine. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this small intestine, the whole food, whatever is the stomach, they don't leave together. No. It leaves in small amount. It leaves the stomach in small amounts to go to the small intestine. You should understand that first. So the food leaves the stomach in small parts at intervals to the small intestine. Now, in our body, in the alimentary canal, if we talk about, the small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal, or rather, you can say the digestive system. How long is it, beta? 20 feet or 7 feet or 7 meters, sorry. It's either 20 feet or 7 meters long in an adult human being. It is actually very highly coiled. It's like coil. Coil means, you know what is coil? Like this. See how coiled it is? This is called coil. Coil, round and round, that is called as coil. Any problem? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Hello?
No,
You
no,
understood?
ma'am.
You understood now?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we again repeat. What is this food pipe?
Esophagus,
What is this? What is
stomach.
this? Stomach. It took so long. Okay. Now let's go back there. Yes. Now there's some addition to it. That's why I'm asking you to go through it again. Yes. Yes, Taranu?
Yes, ma'am. Small
Read.
intestine. The small intestine is a long coiled tube. It receives secre- sec- secretions
Secretions.
from liver and pancreas. It also secretes digestive juices. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice, which is stored in gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
It breaks down fats. The pancreas the pancreas sec-
The
secretes
pancreas.
the pancreas secretes pan-
Pancreatic juice.
pancreatic juice with with break break down carbohydrates and proteins. The intestinal juice completes the digestive of starch into glucose, into fatty acid and
Glycerol.
glycerol and proteins into amino acids.
Okay. What does it show? That the small intestine, the digestion is complete. You understand? So where the digestion gets completed
Yes,
better in our body, it is the small intestine. This thing you should
small
understand.
intestine.
Yeah. Now, small intestine, a very long coiled tube. What it is doing? It is taking the secretion. What is the meaning of secretion? The juices from which glands? The liver and pancreas. So, which are the two glands which are assisting the digestion? It is liver and pancreas. This is clear?
Yes, yes.
Is it clear? Now, this liver and pancreas is also adding the digestive juices to the stomach. So, it is helping the stomach to digest the food. What is liver? Liver is the largest gland in the body. Liver is the largest gland in the body. What it is producing, beta? Bile juice. What it is producing?
Bile,
Bile
bile
juice.
juice,
And this
Thank
bile
you.
juice is stored where, beta? Gallbladder. Where is it stored? Gallbladder.
gallbladder,
What is the function? It breaks down fats. What is the function?
down
Break down
break down
fat.
fats.
This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this
Yes.
clear? Now we come to pancreas. You have to learn by heart better. All these things you have to just learn. You don't have to understand this. It happens. So, name of the organs, what is the function? This you have to understand and learn. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Pancreas. So what is pancreas doing? It is producing pancreatic juice. What is the function? It breaks down carbohydrates and proteins. This one is breaking down fats. Remember that. But here, pancreatic juice is breaking down carbohydrates and proteins. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Liver, pancreas over. Now we have got
Yes.
extra juice in the small intestine, that is intestinal juice. Now this intestinal juice completes the digestion. You understand now what it is doing? It completes the digestion in the small intestine by by digesting starch
Starch,
or converting into glucose.
glucose,
Starch is converted into glucose, fats into fatty acid
fats
and
into fatty
cholesterol,
acid, and
and proteins
cholesterol,
into
proteins
amino
into
acids.
amino acids.
Understood? Now this goes into the blood and then it is spread all over the body, it is delivered all over the body, and then we get energy. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So you understood how I'm going? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And I will show you the, just a moment. Put off your mic better. There. Can you see this? Liver. I
Yes.
just want to show you, that's why. This is liver. Can you see this liver better?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one by one, I'm showing you. Then we have pancreas. Can you see this? This is pancreas. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the bile juice is stored where, beta? See, you can see small organ. Can you see this small organ?
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder. So bile juice is stored in gallbladder. This is how the digestive system is working.
Work.
Okay? Now, how the absorption takes place in the small intestine, we'll see. Yes, who will start to read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Name, I want name, beta.
Radha.
Tarunam, we have already read.
Ma'am, can I Aina?
Aina, okay, start Aina. But read properly, okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am. Absorption of
No, 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 no,
digested.
no, no, not that way, sorry. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Are
can
you
I
practicing?
read?
Just a moment. Aina,
Tarannum.
just a moment. Aina, I had asked you to
Yes,
practice at home. Are you doing it?
yes.
I don't think so, beta. I want you to
Ma'am,
be serious regarding this matter. Yes.
I read, ma'am.
What's your name?
Radha Tarannum, ma'am. Can I read?
What's your name? Zainab.
Radha Tarannum.
Tarunam, we have already read it, beta.
Aisha.
Okay. Aisha. Yes, Aisha.
Absorption of digested food in the small intestine.
Louder. Aisha,
The
louder.
digested food is
Louder, louder.
absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. This process is called absorption. The small intestine has several finger-like projections called villi having blood vessels. The villi has to increase the surface area for absorption. The absorbed materials are carried by the blood to the different parts of the body and used by the body. This is called assimilation. The undigested food then passes into the large intestine.
Good. Thank you. Now, the digested food, which this small intestine is doing, where is it going, by the way? It is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. Hope you understood. What is there in the walls of the small intestine, beta? These things are there. What is there in the small intestine? The wall of the sphincter? These things are there. This is known as villi. What is there, beta? Villi. Now, this process is called as absorption. Digested food is absorbed. Right, beta? Now, let's see. This small intestine has got finger-like projections called villi. Can you see this? It's a
Yes,
finger-like
ma'am.
projections called villi. Can you see this better? These are villi. So this
Yes,
is, what is the function of this villi? They have blood vessels. What do you have, beta? They
blood
have blood
vessels.
vessels. And this finger-like projection is actually increasing the surface area for absorption. Now, if I pull this, now from here it will become like this. But by making villi, it has taken a small area. But when I pull it, it will take the whole area. Can you understand? So the surface area of absorption becomes more by having this sort of villi-like projections. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now the materials are absorbed, right? Where does it go to? It goes to villi. From villi, it goes to the blood vessels. And the blood vessels takes to the tube, that is, it may be the arteries, the blood vessels, to different parts of the body. And the body uses it. This process of using the digested food from the villi of the small intestine to all parts of the body, and then the body is taking it up or using it up, is called as assimilation. What it is called? What is it called, beta?
Assimilation.
Assimilation.
Assimilation. So the body is using the digested food with the help of blood vessels, right, beta? All over the
Yes,
body.
ma'am.
Now, in the small intestine, it is digested. Now, certain food is still remaining, which are undigested. You agree? Do you agree?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
certain portions which are undigested, which is still in the small intestine. Now, the small intestine don't want that food, so it will go to the large intestine. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
All of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
nicely?
Yes.
Any problem you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Now let's see what happens to the large intestine. Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, can I continue?
Yes, but you have to continue.
Okay, ma'am. The large intestine. In the large intestine, water and some salts are the remaining waste
No,
that
no, no, no.
passes
What did I write? Why have written that?
absorbed.
Yes. You understood why I did so? You have to be very smart. Why ma'am is writing, I have to say. So this is incomplete, beta. After that, there is a full stop. So it's incomplete. So what should be written over here? Absorb. This is how we have to comprehend. This is called comprehension, beta. So in the large intestine, water and some salts are absorbed, right? Next.
Yes, ma'am. Some salts are absorbed. The remaining waste then passes to the
Rectum.
rectum and remains there as feces.
Fecus.
It is
Fecus. Fecus.
because
Fecus.
because it is removed through the anus from time to time. This process is called egestion.
Very good. Better. Now the food, unwanted or undigested food from small intestine goes to the large intestine. All of you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now there has to be
Yes,
some function
ma'am.
of large intestine, beta, isn't it? What digestion will do? It has got only one function. Whatever water is present in that undigested material, undigested food, will be absorbed by the large intestine. They make the fecus hard and they take the moisture, they take away the water, they absorb the water and some salts. That is the function of the large intestine. This waste, it is unwanted by the body. It goes to the rectum. Now in rectum it is stored in the form of fecus. And from time to time, through anus, this unwanted food or toxic substances are expelled or egested from the body. And this process is called as egestion. What it is called, beta?
Nutrition.
Understood this much?
Yes.
We have come to the end of the digestive system. That's why I'm asking you again and again. We are doing part by part. See how we started from mouth and now we have come to anus. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood nicely? Do you find any problem? Yes, beta?
मैम ये क्या है?
What?
ये जो यहाँ पे येलो येलो है वो क्या है?
That's villi. I told you the finger-like projections, villi. Which is this one you're talking about, right, beta?
Yes.
Yes, which is found in the wall of the small intestine. I told you just now the absorption takes place. This is the villi, finger-like projection. It absorbs all the food items from the. That means, what should I say? The digestion takes place of the food material. Is it clear?
Yes.
And then it is spread all over the body. And when the body starts using, it is called assimilation. Tell me, is it clear?
Yes.
Tell me, I can go to another slide. Now again the large intestine. See why I'm taking so many slides again and again? You are small children, better. At one go you will not understand. Am I saying correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? At one go, that means I teach only once and then you will understand. It's not possible, better. So what I'm doing, I'm taking different slides. Maybe the material may be same, but the language will be different. Okay? Okay. One of you start reading, better. This is what we are going to work on. See, this is large intestine. I'll show you. So this is large intestine.
Ma'am, can I continue?
No.
Ma'am, can I read?
This is the large intestine. What I've shown you is the large intestine. Yes, who wants to read now?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I
Name,
read
name, and
Julia
I have one
Fatima?
name. Huh?
Fatima.
Surya Faizan.
Fatima.
Ma'am? Yes.
Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, better read.
Large intestine. The
Intestine.
digested. Okay. The digested food enters
Not
into
okay.
the
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima, it is not okay. When I say intestine, you have to read it. Then only it will be okay.
Okay. Large intestine. The digested food enters into large intestine after small intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter
Wider.
than. Yes, ma'am.
Wider.
Wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length.
Fine. Good. Something you understood in this? What is the extra
Yes.
information in this slide, Vita? Can anyone tell me? What is the
Ma'am,
extra
it
information
is.
you got? It is,
Extra
yes?
information is the large intestine is wider and shorter than
Very
small
good.
intestine.
Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, this is the extra information you got. So, there has to be some purpose why we are repeating the slide. Because the informations are more. And I wish that you should understand. Getting my point, what I'm saying, better?
Yes.
Yes? So what is the extra information over here? That the large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. How much is it, Peter? Only 1.5 meter in length. Okay? This is it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the large intestine.
Supriya ma'am, shall I give you a break now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Yeah, 5
I'll
minutes.
stop the recording and start again, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.